Why visit the Philippines? Is it really more fun in the Philippines? Will you really enjoy your time in the Philippines? Is it worth your money? The answer to that are the following. Number one, the Philippines offers a wide variety of white sand beaches. You can choose from the island of Boracay, or you can choose from different islands in Cebu province and other islands. It's all in the website, but it's full of sun, suns, and fun. That means you can get the tropical sun, the warmth of the tropical sun, and of course enjoy the beautiful white sand beaches. At the same time, of course, warm and friendly people. So that's number one in the list if you're after water and fun. And of course, there are a lot of choices. You can go parasailing, you can go diving, you can go, of course, jet ski, you can use speedboats, you can use yachts. So there are a lot of options for you to enjoy the water and the sun in the Philippines. Number two is for shopping. If you want to go shopping, of course, there are a lot of choices. You can go high-end because all the international brands and all the luxury brands are already available in the Philippines. At the same time, if you want to enjoy haggling and negotiating, we have the largest flea markets that you can visit, just like the Visoria, Baclaran, and Green Hills area. It's all in the website. You can check it, and at the same time, you can visit them for you to have a lot of options for your shopping experiences. And then, of course, number three, we have choices from 5-star hotels up to the backpack hotels. And number four, if you are more into heritage areas, more into museum areas, we have a lot of museums that you can visit at a fraction of the cost compared to other parts in the world. And there are choices like in Intramuros, in Vigan, in Mount Hamigutan Range Wildlife. There are so many choices for museum. Ayala Museum too in the heart of the Makati City. And of course, now if you look at nature's wonder, there are so many nature's wonder that you can enjoy and visit in the Philippines. You have Chocolate Hills in Bohol province, and you have the tarsiers. These are special kind of small monkeys that you can also see in the Bohol province, and you can do whale watching in Argao, Cebu. And of course, you can enjoy the rice terraces in Banawe, in the mountain province. And you can enjoy the cool weather in Baguio and Tagaytay. And of course, the different mountains and the different volcanoes that you may be able to experience as you visit the country. And if you want nightlife activities, there are so many nightlife activities in the country. It's full of fun and adventure. You can enjoy the live music bars. You can enjoy the casinos. If you are into gambling, you can enjoy the different clubs for dancing, for singing. You have different places that you can enjoy in the Philippines when it comes to nightlife activities. So, ladies and gentlemen, the Philippines is not just another place. In fact, in the whole of Asia, it's the most underappreciated place for tourism because it has not been recognized or it hasn't been visited by most of our other friends and compatriots outside the Philippines. But once you come to the Philippines, you will realize the following. Number one, you will not only enjoy the company of warm and friendly and hospitable people who can speak English, but more so, you can visit a lot of places that are really unique and extraordinary. Just like Coron, Palawan, there are a lot of beautiful colored fishes as you go swimming in the water. And at the same time, you can see a lot of beautiful areas in El Nido, Palawan as well. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the unique thing about the Philippines is not just the different sights that you can see, the different experiences, the warmth of the Filipino people, but more so the diversity of culture and at the same time the affordability of the different tourist areas that you may visit, from 5-star all the way to budget conscious tourists. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's more fun in the Philippines, and enjoy the wow of being entertained and being welcomed by the friendly Filipinos. Thank you.